All right, this is the set that you get right here, that you order from us either through PayPal, eBay, or hit us up on Facebook. Basically, this is one of the white license plates. You'll see some pictures associated with our items for sale on eBay or what we post. Basically, it's a white license plate, and what I did was with the 4-0 steel wool pad, I scuffed it up, shot it with black paint, and this is your black license plate. Anyway, this is the set that you get, and what you do, it's a very simple process to put these stickers on, these decals I call them. And what you do is you put, for example, this 7, you put a straight line on it, peel it off, put it on. First one is ready to go. You go to the next one. Happens to be an H. I always leave at least one straight line, or as close to a straight line as possible, so that you have an edge to follow. Place it in, and you work from your center out. I'm glad that happened, so you see how I just fought with it a little bit. You do your next letter, and basically within minutes you have yourself a vintage license plate. You don't do one thing for sure, is do not use sandpaper. Do not try to grind these new plates down with a steel brush, because this cheap aluminum in the new license plates will grind it all up. You'll see you'll have a ground up, really rough looking license plate if you use one of those steel wheel brushes. Again, you work yourself from the center out. And you keep on going. Keep on going and keep putting them down. Very simple. I always wipe it down so there isn't any lint or anything like that. From the center out. It's that simple. Next one is the 8. And we give you extras in case you happen to mess one up. So you get extras. This video gets uploaded to YouTube. If you're watching it, you've already seen that. And if not, you're watching it on Facebook. A link will be left on eBay, or I can send it to you if you have any questions. Real simple. And there is the digits. And there that is. So now you can pick from whichever font you want. This is what the 60s font looks like. I like the current one that I make. And basically what you do is you leave a line for you to follow. Lift it up like so. Although it's recommended that you measure, I've done so many that I can kind of eyeball it. Take off your tape. And you have yourself a fresh black plate. We also sell these decals in black, so if you want to make a yellow plate, and pretty much there you are. Order them up and get them there. That's it.